Hello, I'm going to illustrate the concept of polymorphism using an example of H2O water. Here, I created a superclass which is a parent class named H2O. In the nature, H2O has three different types: ice, liquid, and vapor. So, here H2O has printed info method, and then I created its children classes, which are subclasses ice, water, and vapor. Here first ice class, using extends keywords, ice inherit H2O class. It inherits print info method from its parent class, but also it can have its own method. Here, same with water class, and for water class, I named its own method liquid. Same with the vapor, and I named its own class named air. And then I created a runnable class named science, and ice, water, vapor classes inherit H2O class and create the objects of the subclasses like this, and call the superclass printInfo function method, and also call the subclasses method. Let's hit the run button, and you will see the result in the console in a second. See, it is H2O and it is ice, and it is solid, etc. and etc. And I created another class named chemistry to show you polymorphism uses the parent class superclass as parameter in the method. So the parameter H2O in small letters takes all the children classes that inherit the parent class. Polymorphism allows an object to take all the objects. Here you can see the parameter here. And let's hit the run button. Here you see the result, the code words. I think the example of H2O water is easy example to understand the concept of polymorphism. Thank you.